Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best lash clusters is probably one of the most sought-after beauty innovations for achieving salon-quality lashes at home, offering a customizable and often more affordable alternative to traditional extensions or falsies. And today we're diving deep into whether Vayator Lash Clusters live up to the hype and can truly deliver that dramatic, eye-opening effect you've been dreaming of without the salon price tag or the lengthy application time. Number 5. Wide Cluster D-Curl Professional Makeup Individual Eyelash Extension. Achieve a stunning, dramatic look with our professional-grade individual eyelash extensions. The D-Curl provides an elegant lift and captivating volume. These individual clusters are designed for seamless grafting, creating a natural yet enhanced appearance. They blend effortlessly with your own lashes for a fuller effect. Experience salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. Our extensions are crafted for durability and a comfortable, lightweight feel. The 14mm length offers a noticeable yet sophisticated enhancement. Perfect for creating a bold and beautiful eye statement. Designed for ease of use, these individual lashes allow for precise application. You can customize your look for the perfect finish every time. Elevate your makeup routine with these high-quality false lashes. They are the ideal choice for anyone seeking to enhance their natural beauty with stunning volume and curl. What we like? This option offers a consistent D-curl in a single length, perfect for achieving a uniform, professional look. If you're aiming for a specific, polished style and want to avoid mixing lengths, this is the choice for you. It's ideal for those who know exactly what they want and prefer a streamlined application. What people say? They stay on well and look very nice. The Bond one use keeps them on for 7 to 9 days. But even after 7 days of wearing them, they look good as new. The lashes don't clump even when you get them wet. These are sturdy and have a natural look to them. Number 4. Vayator Lashes Mixed Kit. Introducing the Vayator Lashes Mixed Kit, your all-in-one solution for stunning lash looks. This kit offers a variety of styles to choose from, ensuring you find the perfect match for any occasion. Explore a range of lengths and curls, from 8 to 20mm with D and DD curls available. Achieve customized cluster grafting for a natural or dramatic effect. Our Lash Bond and Seal Kit makes application a breeze. Get salon-quality results right at home with these individual extension clusters. Whether you desire a subtle enhancement or bold volume, this kit has you covered. Elevate your makeup game with these versatile false lashes. Crafted for comfort and longevity, these lashes are designed to impress. Experience the difference quality makes with Vayator. What we like? This kit provides a fantastic variety of lengths and curl types, allowing for a truly customized lash look. The inclusion of Bond and Seal means you have everything you need to get started right away. If you love experimenting with different styles or want the flexibility to create a natural or dramatic effect, this mixed kit is a great pick. What people say? They are fluffy and very pretty. The ones in the video are a week old and still standing. I get compliments all the time. They look just like extensions. Thin band, comfy but full lashes on the cluster. I stack extras when I want a more dramatic look and it's easy. When I first started, they literally lasted a couple days, but I kept practicing and now a set lasts a whole week. I love how natural these lashes are compared to others I've tried. Some look super fake and are just too dramatic for my eyes, but these are soft and look close to natural. Nice thin band so they don't bug either. Number 3. Vayator Mixed Tray Mink Eyelash Extension. Achieve a stunning, natural look with our 3D Russian volume eyelash extensions. These extensions provide a beautiful, feathery finish that enhances your eyes effortlessly. Create your perfect lash style with individual clusters. Choose from various densities like 20D, 30D, 40D, or 50D to achieve the exact volume you desire. Experience the luxurious feel of premium faux mink. They are incredibly soft, lightweight, and designed for comfortable, long-lasting wear. Our mixed tray offers convenience and versatility. You get a blend of lengths, such as 12mm and 14mm, all in one easy-to-use package for quick application. These lashes are the perfect addition to any makeup routine. They add depth and dimension, making your eyes pop for any occasion. With 200 clusters included, you have plenty to experiment with. Create dramatic or subtle looks that are tailored just for you. What we like? Experience the softness and natural appearance of Mink with these volume cluster lashes. With various density options like 20D to 50D, you can tailor the fullness to your preference. If you desire a fluffy, voluminous look that still appears incredibly natural and lightweight, these are an excellent choice. What people say. They are natural looking if you want them to be, but you can also layer them for a more dramatic look. I like how there's space at the base to get them to adhere easier. Easy to pick up from the case without eyelashes tearing apart. Easy to apply. Number 2. Vayator False Eyelashes Kit. Introducing the Vayator False Eyelashes Kit, your new go-to for stunning lash extensions. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. This kit offers a variety of curl options, including D-curl, in different densities like 7D, 10D, 20D, and more. You can customize your look perfectly. With lengths ranging from 8mm to 20mm, you have the flexibility to create any lash style you desire. From subtle to dramatic, it's all possible. Designed for easy grafting, these individual lash clusters make application simple and efficient. Even beginners can achieve beautiful, natural-looking lashes. You'll receive 200 pieces in a mixed packaging, ensuring you have plenty to work with for multiple applications. This offers great value and convenience. Elevate your makeup routine with these high-quality individual lashes. They are perfect for creating a fuller, more voluminous lash line effortlessly. What we like. This selection boasts extremely high-density cluster options, perfect for achieving dramatic, full-volume looks with ease. The mixed packaging ensures you have a range of lengths for a seamless blend. If you're looking to make a bold statement or want to achieve a dramatic, eye-catching effect quickly, these are the lashes for you. What people say. It was so easy to apply and worked well with any lash extension glue. The sizes were perfect and I ended up buying them in every size they supply. The curl and volume is great. Won't buy another brand. I use these with the Kiss Falscara and they last up to a week, maybe more depending on how crazy I sleep, lol. Number 1. Vayator Large Tray Eyelash Extensions. Discover the Vayator Large Tray Eyelash Extensions, designed for professional use. Achieve stunning volume and length with our high-quality lashes. Each box contains 220 meticulously crafted clusters, ensuring you have plenty from multiple clients. Enjoy exceptional value and consistent results every time. Experience the perfect balance of fullness and a natural appearance with our 0.07mm thickness lashes. They blend seamlessly with natural lashes for a beautiful, undetectable finish. Customize your clients' looks with a variety of densities, from subtle 10D to dramatic 50D. These extensions offer versatility for any desired style. The 10mm length provides a defined yet elegant look, perfect for enhancing the eyes without appearing overdone. Achieve a sophisticated and captivating gaze. Designed for ease of application, these extensions allow for quick and efficient service. Elevate your lash artistry with tools that perform as beautifully as they look. What we like. Get incredible value with this large tray containing a high count of clusters, ensuring you won't run out anytime soon. The consistent 0.07mm thickness provides a delicate and natural feel. If you're a frequent user or want a cost-effective option that still offers multiple density choices for different looks, this large tray is a smart investment. What people say. Great quality, the fits and size variety make building custom sets so easy. Easy to use and they are comfortable to wear. Lightweight. Great color match and black band. Perfect for at-home lash extensions. Pair it with the Falscara Bond and Seal and you're golden. These have become my favorite lashes for any occasion. They look so natural and they are comfortable for all day wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.